Hey traders, Jason here with a Day Trading Fearless. This is the weekly watch list for February 12th, 2023. We're going to go over where I think the S&P futures are going to go potentially this week. Review real quick what I said last week and look at a couple other things like a Bitcoin, NASDAQ, Apple, things like that. So let's jump right into this video. So first off, we drew this trend line. I said to watch for this 40-50 level right here, right? The 200, also the slower trend line. Well, guess what? We came right down to it. Now, this level has to hold. Okay, we need to close, or sorry, if we actually close on the daily inside this wedge, things could get very ugly, especially if we close below these levels too, right? This 250 period moving average. Things could get really ugly because usually if you close inside, you'll go to the other end of that wedge. And if that happens, we could potentially break through. And then this entire move will actually be a massive kind of trap, right? For all the bulls that got kind of long at the wrong time. And this is essentially what it would look like, right? It would look like this. We close, come down here. This would be our target one. And then if we either bounce or fall, I would probably say we were going to go down to the 3,800 level. Remember, I believe we have a CPI coming out this week. I want to say it's Tuesday, but we will see what happens. So just something to be very aware of and keep an eye out for. So as far as where I think the market's going to go, listen, I think it's right now we are in a bearish market, right? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 waterfall, right? So the market is bearish, but we came down, bounced off that trend line, potential get back to being a bullish market if we break above this daily candle. So I'm going to say, if you want to help support my channel, get some trading education, and also get weekly S&P Emini trade zone levels, support and resistance, then you need to sign up with my $99 lifetime subscription, one-time payment of the S&P weekly trade zones, where you will get support and resistance levels, any open gaps and VPOCs, and you will also get a 7-hour video course of my top 5 trading strategies that I go over, that I use on a daily basis. Also, as a bonus, you will get over 30 free Thinkorswim custom indicators and charts, and you will get on a weekly basis every weekend Thinkorswim share chart, so you can upload the drawings directly to your charts. If you use another brokerage firm, here are all the levels that you'll be able to draw your own levels on. So make sure you check out daytradingfearless.com to sign up, or the link down below. Again, $99, but back to the video. I think maybe we go sideways, maybe we break above Monday, but I think it's all going to come down to what that CPI number is and any potential news. So that's what I'm looking at for the ESs. Oh, another thing I want to take a look at on here is the market profile, right? So we could see we're hovering right around, kind of pretty much closed right at the value area high on this market profile. So it's this is either going to probably be a potential bull flag, right? Something like this. Here, actually, let's redraw this. It's either going to look like this with a bull flag, okay, and we break to the upside, or we just break down and then probably get to this 4,000 level, which is the point of control. And then if we lose that, I would say we're probably coming down to the lower end of the value area. Again, it all depends with the data coming out, CPI, things like that. So that's something to keep an eye out on. Let's take a look at the NQ. NQ, look at this, right? Nice breakout of that trend line, right? We're way above it. But here's the thing. A lot of the tech stocks are kind of looking weak. They're feeling weak. So maybe this starts to lead the way lower. If it does, then I would say keep an eye. If NASDAQ goes, the rest of the market's probably going to go with it. So just something to be aware of. As far as crude oil, we're kind of back on this side of the trend line. Let's redraw this. Trend line, I would draw it probably something like this right now and see if this is what we're playing around with, right? This little very tight wedge, we're about 75% in here. We're either going to break to the upside or to the downside. It'll be interesting to see if the market rolls over but oil rallies. Something that may happen, so keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at gold, GLD, not GLS, GLD. Gold, I think we came down to the 50. I think watch this 38%. That's probably where I kind of like it. Even the probably this 68 level, which is the point of control. Too, right here, kind of like that level too. So keep an eye somewhere around there on gold for a potential bounce. Remember, none of this trade advice, just some ideas, things like that. Here, silver, same thing, kind of made our highs, divergence. Watch for a potential break down to the 50% level, which would be a support, right? Old support, resistance will become support again, and it's also the 50% fib level, so keep an eye there. And then let's take a look. Ooh, I skipped over Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I said I just feel like we're a bear market rally bounce, right? In a bounce. And I feel like here we go. If the market falls, watch this for potential lower prices on Bitcoin. Doesn't look too good. I would probably say watch this high volume node on the market profile right around 19,200 on Bitcoin. And then finally, take a look at Apple. Potential pullback on Apple. Watch for a gap fill. There's a gap fill right here, right around the 145 level. That should act as a support level. So we will see what happens. Hopefully that helps. As always, thank you for watching my videos, and we'll talk to you soon.